How to be less attractive to mosquitoes. Have you ever spent a summer evening outside with friends only to find, hours later, that you're covered in mosquito bites? Their itchy bites can disrupt peaceful summer evenings and even pose health risks by transmitting diseases like malaria, dengue, and Zika. If you notice, you'll see you're more attractive to mosquitoes than your friends, but what makes you such a magnet? And what can you do to be less attractive to these pests? While it may seem like these tiny, blood-sucking insects are impossible to avoid, there are several techniques you can employ to become less attractive to mosquitoes. In this video, we're going to teach you about the most effective strategies on how to be less attractive to mosquitoes. As a result, you can easily protect you and your family from mosquitoes' bite. Welcome to The Guardian's Choice. This video will tell you what attracts mosquitoes and reducing your attractiveness to mosquitoes. Follow all the steps in this video for the best results, and don't forget to subscribe to get all the household tips and tricks you don't want to miss. Things you should know. 1. Wear long, loose clothing in light colors like white, cream, and tan to make yourself less of a mosquito target. 2. Spray insect repellents like DEET or picaridin on your skin to keep mosquitoes away. 3. Use unscented body wash and shampoo to smell less attractive to mosquitoes. 4. Mosquitoes are drawn to people whose skin emits more lactic acid, ammonia, and carboxylic acids. People who exhale more CO2 are also more attractive. Method 1. What attracts mosquitoes? Number 1. Mosquitoes detect and fly towards carbon dioxide, or CO2. Mosquitoes have special sensors that detect CO2, which tells them that a host is nearby. When you breathe, you take in oxygen and exhale CO2. The mosquitoes buzzing in your yard notice your exhale and follow the trail directly to you. So, just breathing outdoors attracts mosquitoes to you. Number 2. Mosquitoes are attracted to certain smells on your skin, like lactic acid. Getting a whiff of CO2 just draws a mosquito to you. It will want to land on you and bite if it also smells a blend of lactic acid, ammonia, and carboxylic acids wafting off your skin. Mosquitoes are often more attracted to people when they're sweating and exercising. Your sweat contains lactic acid, which your body produces when you exercise. Bacteria on your skin are responsible for the odors that attract mosquitoes. Your skin's bacteria interact with secretions from the glands on your skin, producing volatile fatty acids like lactic acid, ammonia, and carboxylic acids. Number 3. Mosquitoes might have a blood type preference. You've probably heard someone tell you that mosquitoes like you so much because your blood is sweet. That's not entirely true, but mosquitoes might prefer some blood types over others. While researchers are studying what blood types mosquitoes favor more, the results are still pretty inconclusive. For example, some researchers found that mosquitoes flock to people with type O blood more than A, B, and AB. Other research indicates that mosquitoes prefer type B blood. Mosquitoes aren't particularly attracted to people with anemia or a blood iron deficiency. In places where dengue fever is common though, having anemic blood can increase its spread. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. Reducing your attractiveness to mosquitoes. Number 1. Wear subdued, light-colored clothing. Mosquitoes might not have the best eyesight, but they are more attracted to certain colors. Dark hues like navy and black, as well as bright oranges and reds, are like bullseyes to mosquitoes. So, stick to understated colors like white, cream, and tan to keep mosquitoes away. Number 2. Cover up as much as possible. One of the easiest ways to stop mosquitoes from biting you is to create a barrier between you and them. Mosquitoes have a hard time biting through clothes, so long, loose tops and pants are great to wear when the weather allows. Avoid wearing skin-tight tops and pants, even when they're long, as mosquitoes can bite through them. Spray your clothes with permethrin to directly repel mosquitoes. Permethrin is an insecticide that kills and keeps mosquitoes away. It's not meant for your skin, so wear gloves when spraying it on your clothes and shoes. Number 3. Use unscented body wash and shampoo. Mosquitoes use their great sense of smell to find hosts, with fruity, floral scents being some of their favorite smells. During peak mosquito season, switch out your scented body wash, shampoo, and conditioner with unscented versions. If you're camping or traveling to a mosquito-heavy area, keep unscented travel-sized options with you too. Also avoid wearing scented lotions, perfumes, and colognes when spending time outside. While you might not smell as nice, you'll avoid attracting a lot of mosquitoes. Number 4. Spray a mosquito repellent on your skin. This might seem obvious, but insect repellents are a super easy way to be less attractive to mosquitoes. Just spray an effective repellent like DEET or picaridin on your arms, legs, and any other parts of exposed skin. Clip-on repellents that emit metafluothrin, such as OFF. Clip-ons are great alternatives if you don't want to deal with sprays. If you don't want to use chemicals, make your own repellent with citronella oil, geraniol oil, and essential oils like peppermint, lavender, and eucalyptus. Lighting a citronella candle is another great alternative to using sprays. They typically work best when they're right next to you and there's little wind. Contrary to popular belief, there's no scientific evidence that eating garlic, vitamin B, or bananas repel mosquitoes. Number 5. Stay behind a screen. If you live in a mosquito-prone area but like to enjoy the outdoors, enclose your balcony or porch with mesh screens. If you prefer catching a breeze while you're inside, make sure your windows and doors are screened too. Mosquitoes can't bite you if you're tucked away behind a screen, no matter how attractive you might be. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Why some people more attractive to mosquitoes? People who emit more lactic acid and CO2 attract more mosquitoes. Some people naturally have higher levels of lactic acid, ammonia, and carboxylic acids on their skin, making them smell more intoxicating to mosquitoes. Additionally, people who exhale more CO2, such as those who are pregnant or overweight, often draw more mosquitoes to them. The amount of lactic acid and other chemicals on your skin comes down to your genetics and body composition. So unfortunately, it can't be changed. Exercising and drinking alcohol tends to make you more attractive to mosquitoes in the short term because you emit more CO2. If you're highly attractive to mosquitoes, they might still bite you even if you're wearing repellent. Some people can gain a tolerance to mosquito bites. As they get bitten, their body produces fewer antibodies to deal with each new bite. This usually makes the bites feel less itchy. Why do mosquitoes bite? Mosquitoes bite you and suck your blood in order to reproduce. While both male and female mosquitoes drink nectar to survive, only females suck blood. They need specific proteins only found in human and animal blood to develop their eggs, which nectar doesn't provide. Warnings. 1. Read the directions on your insect repellent before using it. Do not spray repellents directly on your face and keep the spray away from food. Choose the method that works best for you and your situation, and enjoy a mosquitoes-free home. Follow this channel to learn many more household tips, tricks, and life hacks like this. If you have other tips, please share them with us in the comments. Good luck, and see you in the next video.